Breaking news coming after the close of trading. Hewlett-Packard agreeing to buy 3Com for $2.7 billion in cash. Also, word came after the S&P 500 climbed to a 13th-month high. For more details, let's go to Deborah Kostroun at the NYSE. Deborah?
Thanks a lot, Pim. Yes, Hewlett-Packard saying it's acquiring 3Com Corporation for $2.7 billion, or $7.90 a share. And when you work out the numbers, Hewlett-Packard is paying a 39% premium for 3Com based on today's closing price. You can see in the extended trading session, Hewlett-Packard just slightly lower, down a little more than 0.5%. And Hewlett is hoping to challenge Cisco Systems in the computer networking market, as Cisco is actually expanding into Hewlett-Packard's businesses. The PC industry, of course, had its sharpest slump in demand in history because of the recession. So Hewlett-Packard hoping that this purchase will help them out to get them out of this slump. And taking a look at some other news that came out after the close of trading, Applied Materials, that is the world's biggest maker of chip equipment, reporting its first profit in a year after a pickup in orders. The company, however, saying it plans to cut as many as 1,500 jobs as it adjusts to a gradual recovery. The company doesn't expect orders to return to pre-recession levels anytime soon, and that prompted those job cuts. And taking a look at today's session in total, the S&P 500 climbing to a 13-month high. This is after the Federal Reserve signaling that interest rates will remain at a record low. That helped out the financials to be some of the biggest gainers in the S&P as a group. And the Dow Jones Industrial Average headed towards its highest close since October of 2008. Stocks like Bank of America and Home Depot leading the charge there. And the news about interest rates may remain low, leading gold to a record. The dollar weakened on the day, gold hitting a record, and many of the material stocks were also higher. And when you look at the best 5 performing stocks in the S&P on the day, where I'm talking about individual stocks, you'll find 4 home builders on that list. Toll Brothers rallying after saying orders surged 42% in the fiscal fourth quarter, and also saying sales topped analyst estimates, and that led those home builders higher. Back to you in the studio, Pim.
Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun, reporting.